stuff I bought from the grocery store yesterday. So I'm going to pack my suitcase. Oh no, this is Gabriel's. He still has a lot of things that he hasn't worn. So I'll just take it all out. So I'm going to put the grocery I bought here. This is for my auntie, a ghost perfume. So guys, so these are my shopping yesterday. It cost 3,000, more than 3,000 pesos, so around 50 pounds. So I'll put it all here on my, to bring to UK. I'm bringing it to UK. Yeah. Breast. And the noodles. Yeah, noodles. I've got some tuna. I love that. So I've got some vinegar. I got a ketchup. It's a Filipino ketchup. This is made out of banana ketchup. I got a shrimp paste. Soy sauce, favorite of my 2 kids. Oh my gosh, it's so hot, guys. There. And then, this one is a Spanish style sardines. I love that. Spicy. Lots of crisp, guys. For me and the kids. They like some of the, I got this biscuit. All going back to the UK. I can put 23 kilos on that one, on this, of food shopping. 23 kilos. But the crisps are very light. But the cans are, I've got seasonings for cooking. There, guys. I will give one to my neighbor. I got, this is pork chow mein. Yeah. So, going back to the UK. I might call my mom, so if she wants to see what I'm bringing. I called my mom, guys, to see what I bought yesterday because she looked after the kids while I'm out. Oh, I'll give this to the kids. Ed can put this in coffee candy. He likes it when we went home before, so I bought him another pack. But he can put it on his carry-on, so he can have it while traveling 18 to 20 hours. Ma, tingnan mo pinamili ko. Oo, makain tinanong ko.
Ako ng plato.
Sige, ma. Namili ako ng pansit. Ito, paborito ng mga bata. Namili ako ng pansit canton. Nagbili ako ng tuna, 4 lang at ang bigang. Tapos nagbili ako ng isang ketchup at saka isa nito lang at ang bigang. Ay,
Dapat ko na pala
23 allowed in one of lang. Isang bagoong. At saka isa lang na supang maanghang mo. Ang ibahan. Ibabalot ko ito ng plastic mo. Ano? Baka umang.
Itimbangin mo yan para makakita ko agad. At kung dadagdagan pa, ay mayroon na parang pansit na ganyan. Yung sa akin at bago na lang.
Ganito? Itong isa, bibigay ko sa akin.
Kainin mo mamaya na yan. Pakainin mo na muna. Mainit. Salamat po.
Nagbablog ako, ma? Guys. Sorry, we have dinner first. And then continue again. Oh my God, it's so hot without a fan. All pressed. And I got stock cubes, guys. 2, and I will close the luggage. And when husband comes, I will weigh this, guys, and see if I can put something on the other side. Yeah, because look at it. It's only this side. There. I'm gonna thing the soy sauce, put it in a little bags. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching my Philippine vlog. Look, kids are in the thingy bedroom and my parents are downstairs because we just had dinner.